Welcome to Credit and Cocktails, where financial power equals lifestyle elevation. I'm Marcus Horton, and if you're ready to boost your credit, build your business, and unlock a lifestyle that you know you should be living, you found your new home. Every week, I'm giving you real plays, the exact strategies I've used to help thousands of people raise their credit fast and unlock 50, 100, even 300,000 plus in funding. But this isn't one of those boring finance channels. We're mixing credit education with confidence, clarity, and of course, cocktails. No confusion, no stress, no more being in the dark about how credit really works. On this channel, you'll get powerful credit hacks that actually work, instant credit score boosters, business funding strategies, lifestyle elevation, and weekly credit and cocktails live sessions. My mission is simple: take you from confused to confident, from denied to approved, from wishing to winning. If you're serious about elevating your credit and your lifestyle, hit that subscribe button below, turn on your notifications, and welcome to the most stylish financial movement on YouTube. This is Credit and Cocktails, where we raise your score and your standards. Let's level